In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Illustrator error 2067. If you've tried opening a file in Adobe Illustrator and suddenly see a message that says Unknown Error 2067, it usually means Illustrator's having trouble reading or processing the file you're trying to open. This commonly happens with imported files, such as DXF, DWG, or other files created in external software, like CAD programs. The good news is that in many cases, this problem can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting methods. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several fixes that often resolve the issue, including converting the file format, removing unsupported elements, updating Illustrator, and opening the file through another program first. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and start with the first fix. The first and most common fix for Illustrator error 2067 is converting the file into another format. Many times this error appears because Illustrator cannot properly interpret the structure of the original file, especially when it comes from CAD or other design software. To try this method, open the file using the program that originally created it. For example, if the file came from a CAD application, open it inside that software instead of Illustrator. Once the file is open, look for the Export or Save As option. From there, export the file into a different format that Illustrator handles more reliably. Good formats to try include PDF, SVG, or sometimes an older DXF version. Older DXF formats are often more compatible because they remove newer features that Illustrator might not support. After exporting the file, go back into Adobe Illustrator and try opening the newly saved version instead. In many situations, simply converting the format cleans up the file structure and removes the compatibility issue that triggers error 2067. If converting the file didn't solve the problem, the next fix is removing unsupported elements from the file. Some files contain objects or references that Illustrator cannot properly interpret. This is especially common with files that come from CAD software or complex design tools. Examples of problematic elements include embedded PDFs, external file references, or specialized objects that only exist in the original software. To fix this, open the file again in the program that created it. Carefully inspect the design and look for anything that might not translate well into Illustrator. If possible, remove embedded files, break external references, or simplify complex objects. After cleaning up the design, save or export the file again, and then try opening it in Illustrator once more. Removing unsupported elements often prevents Illustrator from encountering the error while processing the file. Another important thing to check is whether your Illustrator version is up to date. Older versions of Illustrator may not fully support newer file structures or formats created by other applications. Updating Illustrator can sometimes fix compatibility problems automatically. To update Illustrator, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. In the App section, locate Adobe's Illustrator in your list of installed programs. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to it. Click Update and allow the installation to complete. Once the update finishes, restart Illustrator and try opening your file again. Many users find that simply updating the software resolves the Unknown Error 2067 message. If the error still appears, another useful trick is opening the file in a different design program first and then exporting it again. Sometimes other software can automatically repair minor structural problems in a file without you even noticing. For example, you can try opening the file in another design or vector editing program that supports the format. If the program opens the file successfully, export it again as an AI file, an SVG file, or a PDF. These formats are generally very stable when importing into Illustrator. Once exported, go back to Illustrator and open the new version of the file. This extra conversion step often cleans up hidden errors that Illustrator originally struggled with. And that's it. Those are several reliable ways to fix Illustrator Unknown Error 2067 when opening files. In most cases, converting the format or exporting the file again from another program will solve the problem quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Adobe Illustrator tutorials and quick software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.